Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Himanshu, and in this video we are going to have an understanding about how to do an equation with the help of operators. Now operators is not only being used in order to do the equation, means arithmetic equations. It is being used for the logical test as well and for some other purpose like concatenation as well. However, we will leave the logical part for later videos because that's a separate topic altogether. The one of the most basic thing while doing an equation with the help of operator is that you need to follow the BODMAS rule. And definitely we must be aware of what is BODMAS. If you are not, I'm just giving a brief to you. It's not something related to Excel only, it's a universal pattern of doing an equation with the help of operators. So here B stand for bracket, O for off bracket, D for divide, M for multiply, A for addition, S for subtraction. The thing is, if in a single equation more than one operator has been used, then which operator task you should do first? That is what BODMAS tells. Let's say in a single equation there is a multiplication and there is an instance of subtraction as well. Then it's not based upon what is in the left side you should do first. No, it's on the based upon this BODMAS rule. So you should do multiply first and after that you should go for the subtraction part. Why we follow BODMAS? Because yes, that's an universal pattern and standard pattern which has been agreed by all, and so that we may get a equal result everywhere. Now let's focus upon few practical examples. Here in this particular sheet you may see these are the operators here. So this is the bracket, addition plus subtraction is the subtraction sign, multiplication is an asterisk sign, divide front slash, there is a power symbol like this. You will get the power symbol in place of, generally in place of 6 in your keyboard. Concatenation, this is not for arithmetic usage, but yes, in order to create the concatenation I will describe a bit about this. This is a percentage. Okay, so how to do a simple equation? Let's say this is the quarter 1 and quarter 2. I want to do an addition, so I will apply equal to. Equal to is the symbol. Let's say there are like quarter 1 and quarter 2 figures and I need to add those figures. Now with the help of operators, if I'm going to do this, the first thing that I need to do is to start the equation with the equal to sign. Equal to is an indication that okay, you have started this equation, and after that I'm going to give reference of this particular cell which is A2, and I will give plus and will give reference of this particular cell which I want to do the sum, which is B2. Again A2 is in blue color, you may see. B2 is in green color, you may see. This is also indicated in green color, and simply enter, you will get the output. Drag it, you will get the output for all of this. So this is how, based on cell reference with the help of operators, you can do sum. Similarly you can do subtraction also, like equal to. If I want to do like quarter 1 figure, means this one, A3 minus this particular figure 136, it will give you an output. It's not necessary that always you are giving a cell reference, you may give a figure by yourself also, like equal to, I want to this is the quarter 2 figure 147, and I want to subtract 70 from it, and it will give me the output. Or equal to 150 minus 56, it will give me an output. Similarly there is a multiplication pattern also. So this particular cell figure multiply by 4, how much it should give? Okay, that's right. Similarly, you may do the divide also, and for that I am considering this particular figure divided by let's say 3, and it will give me the output, which is 57. You may see this power symbol. What it means actually, if I am giving equal to 5 and then this power symbol, you will get in your keyboard in place of 6. Okay, so I have given the power symbol and I have given 3. This means 5 into 5 into 5. So enter, you will have the output. Percentage is like I want to get 10% of this particular figure, so I've set my cursor over here equal to this particular cell value multiplied by 10%. This is the way of getting the percentage figure. Okay, so this is 12.5. This means 10% of 125 is 12.5, and this is how you may see in the formula bar I have set the equation. Now I have made you understand of the BODMAS initially. What I mean to say, let's demonstrate to you with the help of one practical example. I am writing equal to 55 minus 35 into 10. Take a minute, not minute, take few seconds, 10 or 15 seconds, and tell me what will be the answer. Now if you are thinking that the answer is 200, you are not correct, because we will not have to do the equation from the left side. Based on BODMAS rule, we need to do the multiplication first. So 35 into 10, 350, then 55 minus 350, it's going to be minus 295, and you will have this answer. Similarly, equal to, now I am setting the equation in some other manner, that is in bracket 55 minus 35, bracket close, into 10. Now this time, according to BODMAS rule, bracket need to be done first, so it's gonna be 55 minus 35, 20, 20 into 10, 200. This time the answer will be 200. So while doing an equation with the help of operator, we always need to follow BODMAS rule. As far as Excel is concerned, it will do an equation for us. We will not have to bother about this, but we need to learn how to set an equation. The equation need to be set properly. Now the final thing is the concatenation. This is something very easy. Let's say I want to add this and this particular number. So here equal to this particular cell and then ampersand sign and this particular cell. So this has been added. This has been added, and let me tell you that this is considered as text now. Concatenation, what concatenation do here, if I am, let's say, equal to, I want to add this particular cell figure, concatenate with this particular cell. So you may see this is what this operator do. So these are operator based, equation based function apart from concatenation. This is an ampersand sign. This has been used for concatenation, and when you will do the text function, then we would be learning this concatenation function separately as well. This is it for this video. In the next one, we are going to do an equation with the help of predefined functions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.